Hello Numberblocks fans! In today's video, we're going to explore the new, bigger number blocks from 201 to 299 part 4, which means 210 to 212. In this video, I want you guys can count the numbers and know the fun facts of the number blocks. Alright, for the first character is 210. Well, we already built the number block 200, so number block 210 has 200 peach blocks and 10 white blocks. So 210 also has the 0 enders, so which means she's the 21st member of the Heroes with 0 club, which means she is 10 lots of 21s. Oh, so it's a bit hard to do, but if we build the vertically, it's very easy, but that's okay. Well, I build as the usual from the past videos, but it has the same blocks. Well, anyways, 210, let's see the fun facts. Well, 210 has 10 lots of 21s or 21 lots of 10s, and 210 also is the number explorer. Why do I say she is the number explorer? Because she can divide it into 10 21s. So which means she's the 10th member of the Explorer Club. Since the number block 21 loves to explore the new numbers, that's why the number block 210 also loves to find new things too, just like 21. But she also has the step-shaped mask, just like 21. But the different, which means she has the different colored step-shaped mask. 21 has the indigo step-shaped mask, but 210 has the peach and orange border step-shaped mask. Then this is to represent number block 210 is the 20th member of the step-shaped club. And 210 also has the rectangle eyes because she can make so many rectangles. And she's the 30th member of the Lucky Rainbow 7 Club and the 70th member of the Made Out of 3 Club. We built 200 blocks. We already built 200 blocks. Well, I think I shouldn't put like that. Like this, and then you attach it. That's no matter how to build, but I can build vertically. Anyways, let's attach 10 white blocks like this. Here's our number block 210, which has 200 peach blocks and 10 white blocks. Let's attach the face stickers. Alright, let's attach the face stickers all together. First thing first, we attach the eyes and eyebrows. Because 210 has the step-shaped mask, so it can make it easier to cut. And it's easier to put it on. And there's her mouth. Pink mouth, just like 21. 21 has pink mouth. But also, we create the Explorer hat. Oh my gosh, so cute. And we also created, there's her headband. I think it looks ugly, but don't worry. It has the sign times 30, so you can build. The headband has the rainbow and the 30 on the rainbow badge. But you can also put the number times 30 sign on to represent that she's the 30th member of the Lucky Rainbow 7 Club. And she has the step-shaped eyes, just like 21. 21 is the step-shaper, and the 210 is also the step-shaper too. And we attach the numbering for 210 just like the others. Here's our number block 210. Right, next character in today's video is, what is one more than 210? It's 211. 211 has 200 peach blocks and 10 white blocks, including 1 red block on the top. Well, 211 is an odd number, but did you recognize that 211 is the prime number? That's right. 211 is the prime number. 211 is the 47th member of the prime club. Well, 47 is also the 15th member of the prime club too. So 47 has the face just like 15. She loves to do the secret agent like hush hush with the secret missions. That's why 47 has the face just like 15 and disguise just like 15 and helping to each other with the secret missions. And also, if the 47 is just like 15, so I assume that 211 is just like 15 and 47 too. Which means I assume that 211 is a secret agent by helping to each other with the secret missions. Right, here are the 210 blocks, and we need one red block to make 211. So we got 211. Let's attach the face sticker all together. Right, let's attach the face stickers and the features, also the accessories. Well, the number block 47 I create by my own fanmate wears the headphones, which is the gamer. But she loves to say hush hush to everyone which has problems, and she helps in the secret missions. Well, actually, there's more facts about number block 47. 47 also has a gun because it associates to the AK-47 gun. And also, she has a sign for the snow sign. The snow sign, she loves snows in my own fanmate Numberblocks. This is my own fanmate and my own fanmate activities facts of Numberblock 47. And 47 also loves snows because she loves everything's cold. But 211, I don't put the snowball because I want to put the same 100% to the real fact of the number block 47. Alright, don't forget the number link 211 because 211 associate to the number block 47, which is the 47th member of the Prime Club. So here's our finish, 211, which is the 47th member of the Prime Club. Last character is 212. 212 has one more block than 211. Let's build we're going to build 212 into 200 peach blocks, 10 white blocks, and 2 orange blocks. Like that. We build like that, and 212 is made out of 4 lots of 53s. Well, 4 lots of 53s, sorry. Well, number block 53, I changed into the skateboard shape helmet eyebrows because 53 is the 16th member of the Prime Club, and 16 loves oblong rectangles and squares. What she loves the most is square, but 53 cannot make squares. That's why he has this he has the skateboard shape helmet eyebrows because he loves oblong rectangles, but he cannot make at all. But he never mind at all. This is my own fan-made activities. Alright, here's our number block 200. Also, we create 10 white blocks to put it on like that. Okay, we got 210 blocks. And then we attach 2 orange blocks to make 212. Alright, let's attach the face sticker all together. Well, 212 has the rectangle eyes because he can make about only 6 rectangles. But we assume that the 6 rectangles is the super rectangles. 1, 2, 4, 53, 106, and 212. Oh, which means, that's right, he's a super rectangle anyways. That's why he has the rectangle eyes. Here is the helmet-shaped eyebrows, like this. You know that? First, I think 53 shouldn't make that eyebrow, but I don't know what to do. That's why I put that eyebrow. And I don't want to put the number block 53. It's silly anymore. Because I hate silly things. And then we also attach the skateboard helmet, because 53 has the skateboard shaped helmet like that. See, there's the eyebrow just like skateboard helmet. So which means he has to wear the skateboard helmet too to represent the numbers, which can divided by 53. 53 also loves skateboarding and playing his own ball. I sometimes see the ball of the number block 53 plays. But my own family loves to play ball and skating every time, because he's the member in the 53s. That's why he has the skateboard eyebrows. And don't forget the numbering 212. And this is the end of today's video. Which one do you like the most? 210, 211, or 212? Please leave the comments. And make sure, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave the comments. So see you again next time. Bye bye.